What's up, guys? And welcome to another thing. This 1 month conspiracy theory. You know, the conspiracy theories which have been made, last video on Subhash Chandra Bose, did he really die in a plane crash? Turned out to go very good. People watched that video. I got a lot of comments and I got, a lot of people telling me, like, is that really happened? We didn't know that. And I was, like, very happy, as long as knowledge keeps moving out, and reaching the mass. I'm very happy with that. So today is the next conspiracy theory that really, I can't believe I'm saying this because it sounds really true, and it's based on Mahatma Gandhi and Bhagat Singh. Two different forces, North Pole, South Pole, one supporting violence, one not supporting violence. There was a chance, or there's a conspiracy which says that Gandhi had a chance to save Bhagat Singh's life. And is this true? I'll let you know right now. See, the first thing is, you know how Gandhi is. Gandhi is all this non-violence guy who doesn't like to pick up any gun or sword and win freedom by bloodshed. The total opposite was Bhagat Singh. He believed that we can get freedom through bloodshed only. Just like Subhash Chandra Bose, he also had that same kind of ideology where they believed that only when blood is spilled, freedom can be gained. The total opposite force is non-violence, which Gandhi showed the world. So the first time ever. Okay? What happened was in one of these battles where, how the Britishers were fighting with Bhagat Singh and his men and all that stuff. And one fine day, Bhagat Singh was caught. We all know that. And he was hanged. Before he was hanged, the Britishers, could have accepted Gandhi's proposal, to, save Bhagat Singh. They could have. That is only if Gandhi requested the Britishers. And he didn't request the Britishers. Gandhi knew that if he could have gone and spoken with the British officials, they could have left him. They could have left Bhagat Singh. He didn't do that. Main reason was, I think, is the ideology, which, varies from one person to the other person. This person, Gandhi, who believes in non-violence, this person believes in violence. So Gandhi, obviously, it's in my analysis, I think, Gandhi what he would have told was, I don't need Bhagat Singh, he's a violent guy, he's going to, again go there, I know he's not going to stop, he's going to go, it's his mother country, he's going to go for it, it's his motherland, he'll go for it, but he'll go in a violent way, and that's against my ideology, and I want people following my ideology. I think that was what, Gandhi would have thought at that time. Or, he would have thought, like, why the hell should I say Bhagat Singh when, when I'm getting so famous? In the sense, like, how he didn't want Bhagat Singh to come and, steal that beautiful spotlight which he was in. That could also have been, I'm not sure. It's just an analysis. I'll leave it to you. But the conspiracy says that Gandhiji could have saved Bhagat Singh's life, but he did not. So guys, think about it. It's very sad to hear that, when these things happen within our country and within our own people, like, it happens like this, but it's just a conspiracy. But I feel Gandhi, with his powers, he could have done anything. He could have gone, he could have saved, talked to the Britishers and somehow convinced them and all that stuff, rehab and all that stuff. I'm just kidding, man. Rehab. Seriously, rehab for not, shedding blood for a country. Oh my God, rehab. That's crazy. At least you could have tried, at least, He didn't do that or anything. So let's see, I leave it to you guys, decide what you want, but this is what a conspiracy says. Indian conspiracies are very unique, like how I told you about Subhash Chandra Bose, now I'm telling you about Gandhiji. Much more will come, but think it over, it's all up to you. I leave it to you guys. Thank you.